Good news, good news, good news. We are bringing the 1 day, 3 hours of practical detox workshop to power up your lungs, kidney and liver. This liver, kidney, lungs program is known as a ILKL program. It is specially designed how to detoxify your body and live a healthy, happy, prosperous life. Your health is the basic investment. So whom this program is there? Anybody who has the issue with the lungs, kidney or liver, all welcome. But anybody who is having the issue with the toxins, how to know that when you have the toxins? See, if you have the constipation, nausea, if you have the allergic problem, you have the asthma, you have the any type of disease like itis, diabetes, sinusitis or bronchitis, any itis issue where your organs are getting bulged up. In all these type of issues, or even you have the like a breathing issues, or you have the migraine, or you have the diabetes, hypertension, anybody. See, in naturopathy there is one principle, and that principle is that all diseases are same, their causes are same, and their remedies are same. So with lot of efforts and lot of conducting the batches for the separately for the kidney, liver and lungs, working with the thousands of people, we are created this amazing and unique program of 1 day 3 hours of workshop. This is going to be happen on every Sunday 7 to 10, a very practical implementation workshop. In this workshop you are going to learn the secrets, how to take care of your body, detox your lungs, kidney, liver and detox your whole body near about. Then afterwards, how to stop your medicine in a systematic way. I am not promising you anything because this is just the starting point, but how to do that one. Then third thing is that one, how to have the preventive measurement. See, the toxins is the cause of everything, and toxins actually creates the diseases. Constipation is known as the mother of all the diseases. So if these problems are there, so I really want to invite you to transform your body in these 3 hours. I told you that one, people go to the naturopathy institutes, people go to the different Ayurveda treatments and everything, they spend lakhs of rupees, and we are telling to you, in these 3 hours you're going to learn the techniques which are going to bring a transformation to your health. So please register for this workshop, and the price of this workshop is like a throwaway. It is nothing. So I really invite you for this workshop. Please don't miss. Even you've done some small program like a power of kidney, liver or lungs, but please come for this 3 hours workshop. If you are doing first time also, you are all welcome, and this is my honest request, how all of us together can make India very healthy, happy, prosperous. India is spending more than 2,000 crore rupees every day just on the medicines of the blood pressure and diabetes. Just think about that one. If we save that money, how will be the life? How will our country will progress? So I really want to invite you, and I request you, please invite your friends and family for this particular session, because these sessions are going to be transform their health for sure. I am Dr. Rakesh Deshpute, a naturopathy doctor. I am an international wellness coach. I am a director and CEO of Suryopasna Yoga and Healing Center Private Limited and BRT Wellness Labs. In last 20 years, we helped more than 15,000 people to transform their life. Maybe next one is you. So this is my honest request from bottom of my heart, because this program will change for your life for sure. So thank you very much, and this is my request. So don't miss the time and join the program. Thank you. God bless you all.